to work a festival. He's going to be face painting, and I'm going to be twisting balloons.
Is it like a Halloween one?
No, it's just
Fall festival. I'm going to go to a haunted house.
Okay.
What am I doing this weekend? Is that the question? I'll be here this weekend.
See, what are you doing this weekend?
You just eating roasted marshmallows?
What?
You can't them?
Nah.
Shut up. I really should. Oh, I seen black.
Alright, did you guess more?
Steve.
Yep. I might get started on that fish.